Something about freshly baked bread makes meals feel a bit more luxurious. Whether it's a sandwich on a crusty baguette or sweet French toast on a homemade brioche, warm baked bread is a great way to elevate any recipe. And while you don't need too many tools to whip up a delicious loaf at home, a high-quality bread machine can make the process a lot easier. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 bread machines on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Bread Maker Machine. If you are new to the world of baking bread at home, the best bread machine is this pick by Hamilton Beach. This appliance makes everything from basic white and gluten-free bread to French loaves and cinnamon buns. Plus, it's less expensive than many other options on our list. Part of what makes this bread machine the best for beginners is its extremely easy-to-use control panel with 12 automatic settings for all your favorite types of breads. This means you simply mix your ingredients in the bread pan, choose your desired baking cycle, and hit start. There's no time spent waiting to manually add mix-ins, and there's no need to supervise your loaf as it bakes. Plus, you get a generous range of size options for your loaves, 1.5 pounds or 2 pounds, as well as 3 crust options for light, medium, or dark crust. When you're finished, simply place the bread bucket into the dishwasher. Number 2. Cuisinart Bread Maker Machine. The Cuisinart CBK 110 is a complete bread making system that can be comfortably used on any kitchen countertop, thanks to its compact size and full-size vertical baking cavity. It features 12 pre-programmed menu options for a wide variety of breads, from French to white to whole wheat, and even cakes and doughs. You can choose from 3 crust shades, light, medium, and dark, as well as 3 different loaf sizes, 1, 1.5, and 2 pounds. There is also a timer option with a 13-hour delay start, making it convenient to start your bread baking at any time. Keep in mind that, while super effective, this bread machine does require some supervision. For example, mix-ins have to be added manually after the sound of a beep. You also must make sure that your initial dough isn't too wet, too dry, or sticking to the sides of the bread vessel. Number 3. KBS Large 17-in-1 Bread Machine. Fans of sourdough will be excited to know they can make their favorite loaf using this pick by KBS. This heavy-duty, stainless steel bread maker has 17 pre-programmed settings, more than other options on our list, including baking cycles for natural sourdough bread, yogurt, raw dough, gluten-free, and sugar-free breads. The 710 watts motor makes for quick and even kneading, which results in a dough that is consistently soft and elastic. The ceramic baking insert was designed for even baking and is easy to clean. We also appreciate the overheating protection function, which will help you avoid burnt loaves, as well as the keep warm setting that will keep your loaves toasty for up to 1 hour after baking. Keep in mind that while this is an effective machine, it is more complex than some of the other models we recommend, and it may require a bit of trial and error to get the hang of it. Number 4. Amazon Basics 2-pound non-stick bread making machine. Looking for the best bread machine on a budget? This Amazon Basics 2-pound bread making machine gives you all the essentials for whipping up delicious loaves of fresh baked bread for less money than other picks on this list. Measuring just under 12 inches deep and 6 inches wide, this small bread machine offers a full-size, non-stick interior vertical baking pan that can hold up to a 2-pound loaf. The machine automatically mixes, kneads, rises, and bakes bread. There are 14 settings for baking different types of bread, dough, gluten-free options, jams, and more. You also get 3 crust color options, light, medium, and dark. But our favorite feature might be the express bake setting, which allows you to bake a loaf in less than 90 minutes. Keep in mind that because this machine is more lightweight than other options, it's not uncommon for it to inch across the countertop during the kneading process. Number 5. Zojirushi BB PDC 20 Ba Home Bakery. Zojirushi has been making high-quality home products since 1918, and this programmable bread-making machine lives up to the brand's reputation. Like your standard bread machine, you can make artisan breads, doughs, jams, and even meatloaf, across its 15 pre-programmed settings. This bread maker also features specific baking cycles that accommodate gluten-free and organic baking ingredients. We also like that you can select a quick baking cycle that prepares bread in about 2 hours. In addition, dual kneading blades thoroughly knead the dough, resulting in more consistent results. The baking pan can hold up to a 2-pound loaf. There's also an additional heater on the lid to ensure even baking. Keep in mind that while well worth the investment based on performance, this machine is a lot heavier and bulkier than other options. It will work best for those with ample counter space. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.